Hi, I'm Jobin, and to mark the 10th year anniversary of Mitsubishi Electric Hybrid VRF, we are revisiting some of the previous installs.
So we're here in Aspect Court in Leeds. It's an apartment block of about 49 apartments converted from offices. My name's Michael Aby. I'm the owner and founder of AB Air Conditioning. We specialise in air conditioning mainly. We also do ventilation. AB Air Conditioning has all the capabilities from design all the way through to completion. We currently employ 24 people. So Manso Suites are the company that manage the buildings. The air conditioning that was installed in this building is a HVRF.
The client's requirement was to make sure that they had no refrigerant in the occupied spaces and also wanted to reduce their installation costs by avoiding leak detection systems,
which the HVRF, which had only just come out, was a perfect and ideal candidate for, this being one of the first buildings that was installed across the UK.
HVRF is a two-pipe heat recovery VRF system. So you have an outdoor unit, you have two refrigerant pipes going to a central hybrid branch controller box, and from there you just got two water pipes going to your indoor unit. The box itself is able to do simultaneous heating and cooling, so you get the design flexibilities of a VRF system and the comfort element of a chilled water fan core unit.
So the units have been installed now for around 10 years. We've had very little problems with them. Other than the annual maintenance that we carry out, we've had no issues whatsoever.
So right from the design stage, installation stage and commissioning stage, we were heavily involved with this project. Remember back 10 years ago when we sat down with the designer and contractor, we were looking at different aspects of where we could place the HPC box. Space was always seen as an issue. To maximize space in the apartment, we ended up putting the HPC box above the ceiling in the corridor. Even with the extra ancillaries and the service access, we were able to fit this box and still commission it in a very smooth manner.
Being one of the first installers of the HVRF, we did have a few challenges, mainly being the water side and the DX side, but these were overcome with some good communication with Mitsubishi.
Considering these are the first HVRF units in the country, and 10 years on, the system is still operating efficiently, smoothly, and still looking good.
Feedback from the client and the tenants in the apartments has been positive from start to finish.
The next 10 years, the future is still bright for HVRF. We have the R32 VRF YXM coming out in May 2026, and 6 months later on, that same YXM outdoor unit will be introduced in Hybrid VRF.